talk about it.
Take care of her, please.
We don't even have a name.
What's her name?
Guys leave a comment down below on a good name and then I'll pick.
Word. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got to give a huge shout out to everyone who supported the latest Boston drop. Bobby, Jared, and myself have been packaging and shipping out all of the orders, so you guys should see them. If you're in the US, by the end of the week, and then if you're outside of the US, could be anywhere from like 3 to 21 days, depending on the service you guys selected. So thank you to everyone who supported the drop. First thing we need to do today is get this car back up on the road. So this is Bobby's old car, AKA Rose. Jared, my good friend, purchased it and he had the oil feed line for the turbo crack. So she's been leaking oil. What I want to do right now is get that oil line pulled off of here and get this car back up on the road. Jared's been driving Bobby's STI. Bobby took the M3. I'm sure Bobby wants her car back ASAP, so we should probably get this thing back up on the road. The oil feed line on this car is kind of a pain to get off. We are gonna have to pull off the exhaust manifold. So let's pop off the upper strut tower bar, this little engine cover right here, heat shield for the manifold, take off the manifold, and then from there we should be able to access the top oil feed line bolt. The bottom is already pulled off where it connects back to the head. Let's get this line off and then we're gonna head out, try to find someone who can make us a stainless steel braided line so it doesn't crack again. So here is what we found, guys. We just got the oil feed line off. The center right here goes onto the head. And as you can see, there is a nice little crack in it right where it meets that fitting. All right, so I just ran in and dropped off the OEM line and showed a local company called House of Hose exactly what we need to get Rose back on the road. Jared just went and picked up the new braided line. All right, so this is the line we picked up from House of Hose. It does look a little bit short, but I think it's gonna do the trick. Yeah, this will be nice. Not breaking. Oh yeah, that's plenty long enough. Wait, hold up. That might not work.
Yeah?
It might need the 90.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
Let's see. Yeah, it needs a 90 on it. Yeah, because it comes straight out and it hits the head, or it hits the coolant crossover pipe.
All right, well, is House of Hose still open?
Yeah.
I can probably just go.
The line that they made doesn't have the 90-degree bend on it that the oil feed line needs to have. And run back down there real quick, get that thing redone, and then we should be able to get this car back on the road. We do still need to get this thing tuned. Hopefully done today. So I should slide built. Need a 90-degree bend on her.
So we can either crimp on a 90 or we can, I can give you an adapter.
As long as it comes out enough. Because it has to go in between the turbo. Yeah, as long as it comes out enough, it should be good. It's kind of depressing.
Soon it'll scream.
Soon I need to do rod bearings. Alright, so what we picked up is just a little 90-degree bend right there. And it was $1. Well, it's actually free. They gave it to us for free, so. Should we do it?
Yep.
Let me get prepared.
Are you gonna set up the camera for a cold start with the test pipe?
All right, guys, we got it all finished up. We're gonna get a little cold start for the boys and make sure she doesn't leak oil, and then we're gonna go tune this thing. Whoa, shut it off. What was that rattle? Do you hear it?
Yeah, I heard that.
That was extra rattly. You blow your motor, son?
I hope not.
I feel like I heard that rattle the other day when I started it. Briefly. It sounds like a fan almost.
All right, go again. That's weird. All right, kill it. It's idling weird as well. I guess if I plug in the math in, it'll probably help. That is a weird little rattle at
Bro,
first.
I heard it for the first time the day that I came to put the parts on when I started. It made like a sound and then it.
There we go. All right, boys, we are all finished up with Jared's Evo. We're gonna hit the road right now. We owe Chag tuned 1 data log of just cruising. Still haven't been able to do that yet because that oil line broke. So do that, and then he's gonna revise the map, send over a new map, and we should be able to start making some power on Rose. All right, guys, we're gonna do our first third gear pull right now. You ready? Oh, EPSI, wow. A whole 8 PSI boost. All right, so how many logs are you in? Or how many flashes? Like 4?
I think 6. I
6?
think this would be 7.
Damn. So the car is having a slight misfire issue, yeah? Knock up high. So we're gonna throw brand new plugs in it right now and gap them a little bit tighter. Should we bring it out? These are pretty tight, actually. Yeah, they're like 16. Spendy boys. 78.34. Dude, first hit, got it right.
The car definitely runs a lot better, just drivability wise.
Beautiful.
What is it torque to? Two uggas.
So right now, Jared's loading one more tune onto the car. We're gonna go data log it real quick, see what it's hitting for PSI, send over the log to his tuner. Should be all finished up after this, yeah? What do you after, 26 pounds? 26.5 PSI, stock turbo. The only mods this car has, test pipe, catback, boost controller, is that it? Intake as well, and obviously the built motor. Built bottom end, stock head. You break it?
Nope, we're good.
You
I wasn't
crazy.
paying attention, bro.
You almost took out your whole car. Let's rip it.
Oh, my bad.
That felt good.
That felt pretty good.
Jared, I think it's official
She built.
that you put a sticker on your car
Yes. Where should I put it?
because she built now.
She built. Hell
I love that sticker.
Dude, I love this sticker too.
So the car needs one last revision. Chag Tuned wants us to crush the BOV. It is a factory BOV, so if you crush it, it should hold pressure a little bit better. We're at the house now, so I'm gonna try to find a hammer so we can get that done. Bobby came in clutch. She has a little toolbox here at the house, and she had this tiny hammer in it, so I'm gonna see what we can do. Might be easier just to pull the BOV off the car and kind of set it on the ground and crush it there.
So yeah, this will be it. Now with the virtual dyno, Does he just run the log through and it tells him what it would? Okay.
You'll just log it.
Damn, she built. Oh, it's gonna sound different?
It should have that little stutter sound now, a little bit more. All right, let's see what she does. 30 PSI, stock turbo, let's go.
Let's blow her up.
That sounds way different. What the hell? Why buy a BOV, bro, when you can just crush your top hat? That sounds way different.
Nice point. Oh yeah. Woo. That felt good. That felt solid.
Oh, nice.
That felt real good. All right, let's do an actual pull, like from bottom to top. Let's see how she feels, boy.
Going up a hill.
Yeah, going up a hill. Saw the 20 PSI in that last pull. It's up there. All right, rip it. That feels good. Feels real good.
Good, yeah.
She sounds good. She sounds really, really good. I think with a different catback, maybe like a Tomei or something on that stock manifold, it would sound insane. That's how I ran on my Evo 10 before we went to the ETS manifold, and it sounded really, really good. Sounds good, bro.
Yeah?
She sounds really good.
Hell yeah.
I was saying, you gotta get a Tomei on here.
Dude, it felt good.
Yeah, feels solid. All right, one more ripper for the boys. All right, we just got some virtual dyno. We just got some virtual dyno numbers in. You want to tell them the final?
So it was 339 wheel horsepower and 360 wheel torque.
Not bad, boy.
I'm excited.
Big turbo E85.
Yeah,
Let's
that'll
go.
be next. It's probably gonna be sooner than I think too. It'll be like a week. Hey bro, I got a turbo.
1 week you're gonna hit me up. Devin, let's do the turbo. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.